Welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna keep going on my car. Another day, and we got something in the mail. Look at this beauty, nice and shiny. Slip yoke to M3 6-flange drive shaft. It's a shame it's going to be underneath the car because it's a very nice looking unit, nice and balanced. Hopefully right. I'm gonna attempt to put it in. Actually, before we're gonna do this beautiful drive shaft, I need to jack it up more in the rear. I need to take my wheels off, and I need to put axles in, and I need to, I believe, input flange on the diff. I think I loosened it, so I need to put it back where it was. There's no torque spec on it. It's just I know they're like pre-tensioned a certain way, and I broke the tension, so hopefully I can get it close, and if not, it's gonna break and I'm gonna have to buy another drive shaft or diff. So alright guys, car runs, but it overheats. And what I can tell, this hose right here from thermostat, it doesn't get hot. The whole housing is, I mean, it's warm, but it's not like this hot. So I'm assuming my thermostat is bad. That's the only thing I changed. Well, it's not the only thing I changed, but I did put new thermostat in it, and I just got a feeling like it's faulty. So I'm gonna put the old one in, because old one did work, and see if it's better. Looks insane outside, but I swapped the thermostat. Now we're gonna start her up and see what she does. Go check her out. I'm not sure exactly I stopped recording, but I was trying to bleed the system. It took a while, and then the screw snapped off, and I tried to extract plastic out of plastic, which doesn't work well, and I cracked it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's cracked. So I got the new hose, so now I need to pull it off, install it, and we'll take it for hopefully a spin. We'll see. Alright guys, we just came back from Sheets. I'll try to post some videos. I don't know if I already did or not, because my brother took them on his phone, and I don't know, I forgot to do it on a GoPro. So we'll see. Car drives nice, feels good. The only issue that I have is all those holes in the firewall. I need to cover them with something nice, because it's like driving with a heat blasting through your feet because of the headers. Alright guys, few weeks later, I purchased a house and I moved my car here. I have one space is cleared out, other one is not, so that's what I'm gonna work on right now. I got some shelves organized. Some of the stuff's gonna go. Planning on putting a table here. In this corner, putting some stuff under the table. Car is here. I actually drove it from my shop all the way here. It's about maybe 30 mile, no, like 15 mile drive, I'd say. And it did good. Besides, he gave me one code, and the code is for knock sensor. So I have not new eBay knock or Amazon knock sensors on it, and car does, it doesn't knock, but it hums, not hums, ticks. I don't know if it's a lifter because the engine was without oil for a long time or what, but I'm afraid that's the ticking or that vibration is what's throwing a code. So the goal right now would be, I want to quickly wash the car because it haven't been washed since I painted it. Put in jack stands and see why it's ticking, knocking, or whatever. Because it doesn't. Usually when it's a rod knock, you give it a little bit of gas and you'd hear it disappear. In this case, I don't think it's a rod knock. It's either ticking or something's touching, and gives it. The car needs to be buffed and polished, and bumpers and side skirts needs to be, and roof needs to be painted yet. So right now I'm gonna try to quickly organize this side of the garage a little bit better, and pull it out outside and wash it. It's really tight. It's tighter than my rent garage, much tighter than my rent garage, and it's definitely smaller than my shop, but I cannot have a shop because it's too far away, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. So I'm thinking my car stays outside and my car stays in the middle. I don't know if I can do that, but she's in here. It's tight. This is gonna get moved. This is gonna get moved. This is getting sold, so I have a little bit more space, but it's not ideal. So I might need a different house. But something's sticking on this car, and there's still lots of work to do. I still have a table to build here, which I already have. I just need to bring it from my other shop. Not ideal. I need to talk to your wife, see if she absolutely hates the idea of her car staying outside for now. But I'm gonna wrap it up. Little assembly, I don't even think I showed. Follow my Instagram. I posted some reels of me driving it. Not really, just some reels. I might make more reels soon. So trk.builds, that's my Instagram. So unfortunately, it's still ticking, knocking. I don't know if I mentioned it last time, but I lifted the car up and I pulled valve covers off, hoping it's going to be a lifter tick, which I don't think it is at this moment. So right now what I'm working on, I'm gonna quickly pull oil pan off, the shield that's guarding rods, and try wiggling them and see if it's a rod knock. Because I drained oil, there wasn't like material in oil, but it was like goldish, so something's definitely wrong. So what I'm gonna do is just pull the pan off. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm a little bit confused now. It has side to side, but side to side I think is normal. Dude, it's not, I don't think it's knocking. Okay, hold on. I'll be back. Been a couple months now, but I'm in my garage. I'm still organizing stuff. Car's been down. For some reason it developed like a knock, but I wasn't sure if it was a knock or not, so I dropped the oil pan, checked all the rods, everything was good. Just in case, I put the gauge in, which is my oil pressure gauge. And I just did start it, and it shows 40 psi, so it's all good. I don't know, I put it back together. I checked all the valve train, I checked, I don't know, everything. I could see cam from underneath. Cam looked good too, so I wasn't sure. I think I might have literally just an exhaust leak, which would make car knock. So I just want to put the video out because it's been a while. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Today is basically when I'm editing video, and hopefully I'll post it today. And I forgot to mention that I figured out the whole knock situation was it was basically because of my exhaust leak that I had. It was pretty bad. My whole bank was lean, and lean bank caused a knock. So as soon as I fixed the exhaust issue, everything went away. So car is good. Continue editing. I'm gonna end on this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you hopefully soon. Goodbye.